One of the most common types of fittings that you're going to be finding on your air ride system are these push-to-connect fittings. These are going to allow for the easiest way to be connecting your airline. Push-to-connect fittings, also known as PTC, feature a quick-release ring that allows you to connect and disconnect your airlines without the use of tools. And push-to-connect fittings come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and styles, such as elbows, straights, and unions. And of course, we also offer a wide range of specialty PTC fittings like inflation valves, plugs, and bulkheads. If you have any questions on how to use a certain fitting, make sure to check out our other videos. And as always, make sure to shop bagriders.com, your one-stop drop shop for all of your air suspension needs.